Are you trying to get a handle on Magento 2's complex coding requirements? Dependency Injection, or DI, in Magento 2 is here to streamline your development process. It's all about making coding simpler and more modular. Let's break down how Dependency Injection can boost your Magento 2 projects. It organizes your code by managing class dependencies, interfaces instead of direct implementations. Yes, that means more flexible code. Dive into DI types, constructor, setter, and interface injections. Configure your DI setups in Magento through the handy di.xml file. Time to understand the nuts and bolts of dependency injection in Magento 2. It's all about simplifying your development process. DI helps keep your classes clean and independent, boosting maintainability. Mainly, Magento 2 uses Constructor injection to manage dependencies smartly. Let's switch focus to setting up DI. Your go-to for DI is the di.xml file. This file is crucial for mapping interfaces to classes and managing how dependencies are injected. Learn how to tweak and tailor this file for your project's needs without touching the core code. Now, let's dig into the different ways you can inject dependencies. Constructor injection, injecting dependencies right at the time of object creation. Setter injection, ideal for when dependencies might be optional. Interface injection, keeps your code flexible by using interfaces for dependency management. Lastly, let's peek at some high-level DI strategies. Ever heard of virtual types or plugins? They're game changers for customizing Magento without overhauls. These advanced techniques let you modify Magento's functionality while keeping core updates safe. Found this quick tour through Magento 2 dependency injection helpful? Hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn your Magento challenges into successes. Let's master Magento 2 together.